Delloons Pro Tips. Let's use Pro 714 painter's tape, UGlu dashes, and UGlu strip to create this trendy flower wall. You will need 5-petal flowers in colors and sizes of your choice. Make sure that your center is double-sided to provide stability for your flower. Using painter's tape will help create a barrier between the wall and your UGlu strips or dashes. Here we use strips for the larger flowers, half of a strip for the medium-sized flowers, and a dash for our really small flowers. Proceed to repeat the steps to place each of your flowers on the wall. For this wall, we use 5 colors and created between 5 to 6 flowers per color in different sizes. Depending on the size of your wall, you may need more or less flowers. The final product is truly visually impactful. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.